Students, friends, lovers of language, I need you to listen to me very, very carefully. What I am about to tell you may save your life, or, at the very least, prevent me from failing you out of sheer existential despair. Let me take you back to a dark time. A time before I was a professor. A time when I was but a humble graduate student, laboring in the dimly lit halls of academia, fueled only by caffeine and the overwhelming fear of failure. One fateful night, I was grading papers, just an ordinary evening. But as I read through the essays, something began to happen. Something sinister. I saw it. First, just a whisper of it. A comma outside the quotation marks. Outside. My blood ran cold. I shook it off. Surely, a mistake. A fluke. But then I saw it again. A period standing outside the quotation marks like some kind of lost orphan. And then another. And another. By the 15th instance, my left eye started twitching uncontrollably. By the 30th, I was hearing phantom screams. By the 50th, my soul left my body. Unless you are sipping tea with the Queen's ghost or preparing to storm the beaches of Brighton, put your punctuation where it belongs. I learned this lesson the hard way. You see, once upon a time, I too committed this grave error. In a moment of grammatical weakness, I submitted a research paper where I placed the period outside the quotation marks. The next day, my professor handed my paper back. In red ink, she had written only these words.
The horror. The horror.